Ferrari is an Italian luxury sports car manufacturer based in Maranello, Italy. Founded in 1939 by Enzo Ferrari, the company adopted its current name in 1945 and began producing its line of cars in 1947. Ferrari became a public company in 1960. This is the factory where Ferraris are born. 165,000 square meter plant in Maranello and 1,300 workers. Every car that has ever borne the famous Prancing Horse was painstakingly assembled here, and Ferrari would not have it any other way. Every Ferrari car takes roughly 3 months to complete, and it all begins in the foundry of the company where the most critical job of casting the engine is done. These parts are then delivered to the assembly line where 147 engines are hand-built every day. Ferrari is a company that has always had a higher demand than availability for its cars, and that is what makes it the most exclusive automotive brand in the world. Ferrari used to limit its annual production numbers to 7,000 units, later on to raise that number to a record 10,000 cars in 2019, while keeping the brand's exclusivity intact. Although Ferrari is dragging its feet and officially appears to be in no rush to join the electric car race, the company has no intentions to miss the opportunity to find ever more customers. The company is actually building a dedicated production line facility in Maranello that will be purely responsible for Ferrari's first electric car. While the production of electric Ferraris is planned to go full speed in late 2025, we should start seeing the first prototypes next year. After the Ferrari's first SUV becomes a runway hit, the company had to put the orders on hold. Everyone out there wants an SUV. The production for 2023, 2024 and 2025 is sold out, with the orders now being taken for 2026. Ferrari's cars are known as symbol of success, wealth, speed, elegance, sportiness and prestigious. The Ferrari brand has been certified as the strongest in the world. The company currently offers a large model range which included several supercars, Grand Tourers and SUV. The panoramic tours is completely different to the Ferrari factory tours, as factory visits are only available to clients and Formula One sponsors. Visitors are not permitted to leave the shuttle bus and also not permitted to take photographs or video footage during the panoramic tour. Visitors can book a seat on the tour through the museum site. They must first purchase a museum ticket online and then await confirmation and a booking code which will be sent by email.